Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny online maintenance and service. Shift UI inside. Today I need to develop this here the edit card UI I need to develop here. First of all, need to set this design inside the XD files. Similar to need to create here the horizons view and tops, and then after need to creating here the cards enter UI. We need to develop here. Look like this screen to developing here. Let's start how to write down inside the Shift UI. First of all, need to find out here the view folders inside the home folders and to create here the new file. And we need to set here the Shift UI view. Select here and we need to set this here the edit card screen creating here. Then after so need to copy here the checkout screens. Now need to copy all and we need to paste here this data and we need to change this here the app bar text edit card like here and also we need to removing here's top contents. Maybe you need to needs here's payments no needs now need to clean here's like here and I need to change this here the buttons packs already set here for the screens. Now first of all need to making here the UI for the card edit UI and then after need to card show UI need to develop with horizons UI need to use this here the third party package inside we need to put this here. First of all need to importing this here the needed package. Now need to select here the project inside the select here the ours workspace and then after need to go inside the package dependency and to click here and we need to find out here the one working good condition sleeps we need to find this is the supporting shares here. Now we need to copy this here the package urls we need to find out here inside this package here's this is the package urls and to put here's and enter here's and we need to find this package and to add here the packages and this is the supports only the iOS 15 plus, otherwise not working. If you use this here the iOS minimum target as a button then this lib here are the not working. That's why I need to make sure this is your application minimum target set here the 15s. Now I am waiting for the loading this here the package and look like this here the interface we need to get. So we need to set here the targets every like this and to add this packages like here. Now we need to go inside the edit cards and to declare here the some private variables, state private where txt need to set here the name, then another state private where txt card number, then state private where txt expiry, month, and state private where txt expiry year, and last one is the cvv where txt cvv. Like this text fields are the needs here and to configures. Now we need to try to hear the show inlaid canvas. We need to showing here's good. Need to check here. Like this showing here's we need to set here the placeholder colors. And we need to set here the titles, name of card, name on card, and we need to set here the regulars and font size. We need to set here the 15. Like this, we need to configure max left. We need to set here. Now we need to set here the text field. We need to set here the placeholders. Enter name on card. Now we need to set here the text property. Use this here the binding variables. Need to use this here the txt name and set here the font. We need to copy here this value and like this. We need to paste here. Set here the primary text colors and we need to set here like this UI. We need to configure here not reflecting but we need to put done. Now we need to set here the dividers. We need to setting here for this UI like here. Then after we need to develop here the another's. We need to set here the card number and also need to set here the spacings as a 15. Now we need to enter here the card number. Need to set here the text txt card number like here. Need to configure. Now we need to create here the horizontal stack and we need to set here image for the master card. Resizable set here the scale to fit and we need to frame. Need to give this here the heights. We need to configure here the 25 and now need to find out here the icons of the master cards. Copy here and we need to use here the paste here like this. I need to set here. Again, we need to create here the another's dividers. We need to using here set here. Now look like this showing here the card numbers and also need to decrease this here the 8 and now I need to set here the expiry date and also we need to set here horizontal stack v stack, set here the spacing, set here the 8 and we need to cut here, remove here the image and we need to put here 2 times. Now we need to set here the keyboard type, set here the number pad and also here inside the card numbers and also set here. Now we need to set here the enter here the and here enter here the yy. Now we need to set here the expiry month and here set here expiry year. Now we need to removing here this and also set remove here. Again, so need to copy here, need to paste these here and we need to cut here like and we need to set here frame max width, set here the infinity, same as we need to put here the above and we need to set here the cvv like this sets and we need to write down here the $txt cvv and we need to set here cvv enter cvv. Like this we need to creating here for this UI and we need to configure here and also need to set here the vertical stack, put here with this. Now need to set here spacings as a 15. Now I am waiting for the loading this here the UI. Not reflecting, but not issue because need to sometime take here times. But now need to directly configures and to see here the simulator inside the UI. Now first of all need to configure opening this here the BG nav link, and we need to configure this here the edit cards and to set here show edit card. Now need to use this here this buttons configures inside this here the edit update inside. Need to set here the true, and also need to declare here the state variables state private where and edit cards. Need to by default set here the false. Now need to runs inside the simulators and to test against need to UI. Need to first of all the edit cards UI need to see here. Then after need to developing here the core result view. Need to developing here. Now opening here the simulator inside the app are the runnings and to test here. Now I am waiting for the loading screens. Then after to click on sign in buttons. Then after select any applications. Then to search now button click. Then after need to click on the book now and to pay now buttons. Then select here the any screen. Next buttons need to set and to pay buttons. Click here the updates and look like this here the similar to show this here the UI in our XD files. Now we need to developing here the UI for the core results. We need to set here. Now we need to put here and to find out here the edit card screen. We need to set here. We need to go here and we need to write here the UI codings. We need to open this here the this GitHubs. Use this here the library and to using here first of all need to importing this here the demo. Opening here go demo insides and we need to demo here to cards text screens and here's now use here's this value we need to needs here's we need to importing this library here's and to copy and paste this here the UI like here. Click on backs and we need to using here's main screens. We need to go back here and we need to set here the colors as we need to pass here this data here. Need to set here the statics here. Set here the card number like here. So need to putting here three or four times and initial index need to set here the 2 like this configures here. Now need to unuse here to clean here and on core results need to no needs and also not needs here the triggers need to clean here and removing here the paddings also need to set here 20 here set here 10 like this we need to configure and to set this here the value and we need to set here the value here card number, card object. So need to get here, reloading here. And now first of course making here the UI. Need to use this here the Z stack, and we need to set here the alignment, set here the bottom center, bottom, and remove here the content. So now we need to create here the image resource resizables, and we need to set here the expects. We need to set here as a scale to fill, and we need to write down here the param. Give this here the width. We need to screen width percentage. We need to setting here the 70%, and also need to set here the height with percentage of the 35, like this configures. We need to set here, and like this we need to set here. Now need to give this here the image, find out here card, like now need to test apps and to check how look like this here the showing updates, and look like this here the top inside the showing. Need to wrong place put here inside this scroll view, and need to put here. 90% and to set this here the paddings as a 30 and spacing 20, like this configures here. Here not working, don't worry, we need to directly test here. Now first of all need to increase this here the this, and need to set here the flipper rat corner radius. We need to set this here the 20, and we need to set here the padding top, set here the 30, and to now check here this UI display goods or not. To check, click here, book now, pay, next, updates, and look like this here the similar to show here the UI. Now goods, and we need to creating here the inside the text. We need to showing here related to card similar to designs. Now we need to create here the wish tag, set here the text property. Now we need to copy these two text, and we need to put here, and also need to set here the spacing. Need to set here the 25, like the space set here. Now need to show here the card objects. We need to showing like this here the value, and we need to set here the font size. We need to configure here the 32, and font colors need to set here the white. Max labs we need to configure here, and also need to set here the padding. Need to set here the 20, like this, and also need to show here the expiry date. So need to now set here the fix, expiry dates 12 30. And we need to set here the font fontings, set here white regulars, and to set here the bold colors. Now we need to check here this UI working goods or not. We need to test here. Click on next updates, and we need to not show here the good this UI. Need to fix here first of all. Set here this spam. Just that. Now this is the frames are the sets, but we need to decrease here the font size 25, and we need to also decrease here 12, and also need to set here the 20. Now test against, and similar to show this here the UI in designs look like this showing here for this data. Now need to change here the digits and to test against. Like here. Oh, here the different show. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.